Welcome to EKTV. Today's strong magnitude earthquake was occurred in Russia. The quake hits Russia today, 3rd March 2022, early in the morning at a very shallow depth. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.0. And European Mediterranean Seismological Center is the second agency to report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.